Good morning, it's Monday, September 17th, and this is Paul Kondakos with AGORACOM TV. We have a great show lined up for you today because we got tons on the plate. I've got my Starbucks Ice Grande non-fat latte, so I'm jazzed this morning. And I'm going to tell you why I'm also jazzed, because I took New England for the game and at the half, so I've got some cash in my pocket, which means I can invest in some of the stocks I'm going to be presenting with you guys today. Before we get started, George has a day off, and let me tell you why. Because George is at TechCrunch, which is taking place in San Francisco. It's a conference in search of the best Web 2.0 companies. Now, there's going to be 40 companies presenting this year, and there's going to be one official winner, and it's going to be announced on the TechCrunch blog. AGORACOM is down there, George T is down there because AGORACOM is an official sponsor of TechCrunch. So if anybody's in the San Francisco area and you want to say hi to George and you're at TechCrunch, make sure to go by. He wants to hear from you guys. Now, I've got a couple of press releases from you today, I've got a couple of press releases for you today. One is no stranger to AGORACOM, that's e.Digital, that's EDIG on the over-the-counter bulletin board, and they don't have one press release, not two press releases. They've got three press releases that they announced this morning. Now, what are they? They've got, number one, Lufthansa is going to be a provider of their technology on their flights. They've got Malaysia Airlines also going to be providing their technology on their flights. And then they're also going to be showcasing their eView system, which has a 20-hour life on their battery. And they're going to be displaying that at the WAEA, which stands for the World Airline Entertainment Association. So you've got three press releases from e.Digital. What do they do? Well, you probably have a pretty good idea from what I just told you, but specifically, e.Digital is a provider of secure portable video on-demand products, including its proprietary eView portable entertainment system. So more or less what it is, they provide entertainment systems in flight on the major airlines. So these guys are a small cap company, but they're in with the big boys, which includes Lufthansa, Malaysia, and I'd say go do your due diligence to see who else they're representing or who else they have their technology on, whose airlines. So they trade at 19.5 cents. They're off their high of 28.5 cents. Only caveat here is that they have 250 million shares outstanding, so I'd recommend they tighten up their share structure. But that's always, I guess, a no-no for some small cap investors who don't like the reverse split, but at some point they might have to tighten it up if they want to get really serious. Now, moving on to our second company is BKYI International on the over-the-counter bulletin board, trading under the symbol BKYI. BKYI was just awarded another contract from the Alaska Police Department for $125,000 for their technology. I like the fact that it's an additional contract, and from what I see here, BKYI has been a customer, Anchorage, the Anchorage Police Department has been a customer of BKYI since 2000, so it tells me they've been around for a while, and for them to be ordering additional contracts means that these guys are good at what they do. Now, what is BKYI? BKYI Mobile Corp system provides police officers with direct access to critical federal and state data on stolen vehicles and wanted persons, as well as silent communications between officers and dispatch. They're currently trading at 11 cents off their 52-week high of 58 cents. And that's a wrap for today. This is AGORACOM TV, and this is Paul Kondakos. We'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading.